In this video, I'd like to talk about angle addition with equations. So with these example problems, we'll be given some geometric figure with multiple angles, and we'll be able to set up some type of equation involving the addition of these angles. So essentially, we'll be given expressions for our angle measures, and we'll be able to create some type of equation involving these different expressions. In all of these problems, we'll be dealing with addition of angles. So with this example problem, first of all, when you see the letter M in front of an angle, this just means the measure of that angle. So the measure of ABD is 70 degrees. So ABD, remember the middle letter, that's our vertex. So ABD, that's the big angle. We're told that is 70 degrees. Then we're told the measure of angle CBD, so CBD, that's this angle right here. This is 5x plus 13 degrees. And lastly, we're told the measure of angle ABC, that this is 3x plus 33. So ABC, that's this angle right here. This is 3x plus 33 degrees. Let me rewrite that. So we can now use these different angle measures to set up an equation. Since we know the total angle is 70 degrees, and we know this one is 3x plus 33, and if we add it to this one here, this 5x plus 13, they will combine and add up to 70 degrees, since that's the total angle measure. So let's just set up that equation. We have that this ABC, this green angle, this 3x plus 33 degrees, is added to this pink angle here, this 5x plus 13, and that will equal the blue angle, 70 degrees. So we will add this to 5x plus 13 degrees and set all of this equal to 70 degrees. So from here, we just have an equation and we need to solve it. So let's start by first combining like terms. So we can combine our variable terms together and we can combine our number terms together. So 3x's plus 5 more x's, that is 8x. And 33 plus 13, that is 46, and this is equal to 70 degrees. And keep in mind, the entire process of this is so that we can find a specific angle. So we're looking in this problem to find ABC. Though in other example problems, it could be some different combination of this. We could also find CBD. And we do know the large angle, this ABD. So for this one, we're finding ABC. But to do that, first, we need to find x. So that's effectively why we're solving this equation. So we now have a two-step equation. And we want to cancel out the addition first, since we want to cancel out the simpler operations first. So we'll subtract 46 degrees on each side so that we get 8x is 70 minus 46. So if we take away 40, that's 30. Taking away 6 more brings us to 24 degrees. And lastly, we will divide everything by 8 to cancel out this multiplication. So 8 divided by 8, that's just 1. And 24 divided by 8, that is just 3. Or 3 degrees. So we found our x value, but that's not the end of this problem. We still need to figure out what the measure of ABC is. But we're told the measure of ABC is this 3 times x plus 33 degrees. So let's use that information. Let me rewrite it with the green color. The measure of ABC, we're told, is 3x plus 33 degrees, and we're also told that x, or actually we found that x is 3 degrees. So let's just plug this in so that the measure of angle ABC is 3 times 3 degrees plus 33 degrees. We know 3 times 3, that's just 9, so we have 9 degrees plus 33 degrees, which is 42 degrees. And this is what we think is the answer. But to check this, we could also plug x in to angle CBD, this pink one here. So let's do that very quickly. And then if we add these two angles together, they should be equal to 70. So if we found the correct x value, then these two will actually add up to 70 when we plug x in. So when we do 5 times 3 degrees plus 13, and again, this is angle CBD, then we get 15 degrees from this multiplication plus 13 degrees, so that is 28 degrees. And if we add these two together, so let me write these in, this is 42 and this is 28. Well, 40 plus 20, that's 60, and 2 plus 8 is 10, so we add 60 and 10, and we do get 70. So we checked our work, and everything makes sense, which means we can feel very confident that 42 degrees for this measure of angle ABC, this is actually the correct answer here.